What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here today. I'm doing a little drive video. I'm needing a little help. I'm in the 97 Ford F150, the base model work truck. And I need some help trying to figure out what these old Fords, and you Ford guys that know these old 90s Ford F-150s, they make this squeaking sound underneath the truck when you cut the wheel left or right. I'm going to try and duplicate it up here at an intersection, and we're going to see if we can duplicate the problem. Now, I'll shut up and just listen. Let's see if we can make it happen. Hear that? It's when you cut the wheel. Damn, how do I turn it? Jeez. Yeah. Hear that? What the hell is that, y'all? It sounds like it's behind the engine, like almost under my feet. That feels and sounds like where it's coming from on the truck. I'm gonna spill my damn coffee. What is that? Is that something I can put some grease on or something? Grease on or something and quiet that down. I mean, it's just annoying more than anything. I mean, there's no clunking sound or any, crazy shit like that going on. It's just I got a little exhaust rattle down there too. It sounds like a heat shield or something's rattling. But yeah, comment below if you Ford guys know squeaky ass sound is coming from underneath the old later 90s Ford F-150s. I've heard them in parking lots and in traffic, so I know it's a common thing. So if any of you guys know, comment below and let me know, and I'd really appreciate like, comment, subscribe. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later. Peace.